Hey guys, what's up? Aviation Green here, and today I'm going to be unboxing this new ground service equipment that I got over Christmas. Now, I was planning on making this video a few days ago, but I was just really busy and I was on holiday in Cork, and you might have seen my video on the Irish Rugby Green Spirit plane while I was at Cork. I dropped into Cork Airport, so yeah. And basically today, I'm just going to be unboxing this, and in a few days, I think maybe next week probably, I'll be unboxing a new model aircraft that I have, and in between that I'll have the usual plane spotting videos and stuff like that. So let's get straight into this. I've already opened it, as you can tell, but let's just take it out. So here it is. You can probably see the stairs already, and the truck, and the petrol station. I'll be using this in my model airport, by the way. Anyway, first we have this plane. It's kind of like, it says Airbus on the wings, but the cockpit is usually down at the bottom on the A380s, so it's kind of like a Boeing A380 sort of type thing. I probably won't be using this in my airport, because the only reason I got this set is for the ground service equipment. But yeah, this is just a cool little plane to have. Next we have a cone. That's probably for marking out the planes where they're like parked, so no one goes underneath them and causes any damage to them. Next is this airport truck. I'd say it just brings fuel and cargo and all. So yeah. Then these. At the moment, I'll just do that now. So yeah, basically here's the cargo as well that they bring over to the thing that brings it onto the airplane. The scale on this is a bit weird because this is as big as the airplane, but for my models are much bigger than that airplane, so it will work in my model airport. Then we have this air stairs for the plane. Very nice addition to my model airport. And then these kind of traffic lights. Haven't seen these in an airport except Gibraltar, where a main road goes over the runway. So yeah, cool. Then we have this airport sign that we could put right outside the airport, just to make it look a bit more realistic. Here's I don't know what this sign means, but yeah, you can try to figure that out for yourself. Please leave a comment what that means. I have no idea. And next is, these are probably for if a president or someone is going on a plane, then they can use these, because like they're important to go onto like a red carpet or something. Next we have, if I can get it out, the pushback truck. So this is one of the main things I wanted to get, and when I saw it in this set I knew I couldn't not get it. So yeah, it's cool. I'm not going to be able to hold this truck all at once, but here's the front of it, and it's just used for transporting stuff to the plane. And here's the back of it, airport speed transport. So yeah. Then we have the petrol station, or gas station as you might call it in America. So yeah, this is where they refuel the airport police and stuff. Don't know what this is. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.